Why does your scanner show the P0368 engine code? What does it mean? P0368 is a diagnostic trouble code for Camshaft Position Sensor B, Circuit High Input, Bank 1. This engine code indicates that is a Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC, that indicates the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, has detected an incorrect high-voltage reading from the Camshaft Position Sensor circuit on Bank 1. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty camshaft position sensor, wiring issues, loose connections, stretched timing chain, engine oil contamination. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Toyota, Cadillac, and Volkswagen models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.